this module, we will quickly answer the question, what are cumulative lead times in the world of material requirements planning? Cumulative lead time is a planning factor that many ERP and MRP systems calculate after all other lead times have been entered in the system. It's important to note that the cumulative lead time or total lead times can be calculated by MRP, or you can estimate a cumulative lead time and enter it into MRP or ERP. Cumulative lead time is the total time needed to manufacture a product, from ordering raw materials to completing the finished product.